thank all the graduates to please stand up and light your candles. Good afternoon to our dear graduates, teachers, parents, and everyone gathered here today. As we stand together in this quiet and meaningful moment, holding these candles, take a second to look at the flame in your hands. It may seem simple, small, even fragile, but within, it carries a powerful message. It reminds us that even the gentlest light can push back the darkest night. Today is not just a ceremony, it's a turning point. To our graduating students, the light represents your journey. It carries the sleepless nights, the silent battles, the laughter with friends, and the lesson learned both inside and outside the classroom. It holds the moments when you doubt yourself, and the moments when you choose to keep going in any way. You did not get here by chance. You are here because you endured, because you tried again when things were hard. Because somewhere along the way, even when your life felt it was fading, you protected it and let it grow. Look around you. Every candle you see is a story of friendship, of support, of shared struggles and dreams. You were never alone in this journey. Your teachers guided you. Your families stood behind you. Your friends walked beside you. And this afternoon, all those lights come together to remind you of something very important. You belong, you matter, and your light has a purpose. As you step beyond this chapter, the world we're entering may not always be easy. There will be the days when your flame flickers, when fear, failure, or uncertainty tries to tame what you carry inside. But in those moments, I hope you remember this day. Remember how your light looked when it was surrounded by others. Remember how it feels to be part of something bigger than yourself. And remember that no matter where life takes you, you can rise, rebel, and shine again. Do not be afraid of the dark. Sometimes it is the darkest moments of your life becomes the most meaningful, not just for yourself, but for the others who are still searching for hope. Graduates, you are no longer just a student at your school. You are now the carriers of light into the world. Wherever you go, bring kindness, bring courage, bring compassion. Let your actions speak of who you are and what you stand for. And if you ever feel lost, look within. The same flame you hold today will always be there, steady, waiting, and ready to guide you home. As we end this ceremony, our candles may eventually to be put out, but what they represent should never be fading. Your light has only just begun to shine. Carry your light with pride, protect it with courage, and share it generously with the world. Once again, Saint Ignatius of Loyola said, "Go forth and set the world on fire." Congratulations, graduates, batch school year 2025-2026.
You may now take your seat.